Hi to everyone. Today the topic is AC distribution system. We have already know about the classification of distribution system. Based on the nature of the current, distribution systems are two types. First one is AC distribution system and second one is DC distribution system. Today we have to learn about the AC distribution system. Nowadays, electrical energy is generated, transmitted and distributed in the form of AC. One important reason for the widespread of alternating current when compared to DC is that fact alternating voltage is conveniently changed in magnitude by means of transformer. That's why we have to prefer the alternating current distribution. Okay. These AC distribution systems are two types. First one is a primary distribution system and second one is a secondary distribution system. This is the primary distribution system. See layout diagram for the primary distribution system. The voltage used for primary distribution depends upon the amount of power to be conveyed and the distance of the substation required to be fed. The most commonly used for primary distribution voltages are 11 kV, 6.6 kV and 3.3 kV. Due to economic considerations, primary distribution is carried out by 3-phase 3-wire. Based on 3-phase and 3-wire. Okay, this is the substation. At this substation we have to reduce the voltage, we have to step down the voltage from 33 to 11 kV. At this substation voltage is stepped down with the help of the step down transformer. Power is supplied to the various substations. These are the different types of the substations. Power is supplied to the various substations for distribution or for the big consumers like as a factory. This forms as a high voltage distribution on primary distribution. This is the primary distribution system. Next, secondary distribution system. This is the secondary distribution system layout diagram. The secondary distribution employs 400 to 230 volts, 3-phase 4-wire system. At secondary distribution system, we have to prefer the 3-phase 4-wire system. This is the typical secondary distribution system. The primary distribution circuit delivers powers to the different substations is called as distribution substations. These substations are situated near the consumer localities and contains step-down transformers. At each distribution station, the voltage is stepped down to 400 volts and the power is delivered by 3-phase okay 4-wire AC system. The voltage between any two phases is 400 and any phase to neutral is 230 volts. Okay. The single phase domestic loads are, these are the domestic loads. Any single phase domestic loads are connected between one phase and neutral. For example, you have to consider the house one. This load will be connected to one phase, B phase to one neutral. For the same second house, single phase domestic load, here we have to connect the R phase and the B phase and neutral. Okay. Here you have to consider the single load diagram Domestic, it will be connected to the neutral wire and single phase R. Okay. Whereas 3-phase 400 volts motor loads are connected across 3-phase lines directly. These are connected across the lines directly. This is the factory load. This is the secondary distribution system diagram.